Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to move your Steam games to another hard drive without re-downloading or losing any progress. First, open Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. In the left panel, select Storage. Here you'll see all your game library folders and how much space they're using. To move a game, you first need to add your new hard drive. Click on the plus icon next to your storage list and choose the new drive you want to use. Steam will create a new library folder there automatically. Now, select the drive where your game is currently installed. Click on the game you want to move, then click Move at the bottom. Choose your new drive, and Steam will transfer the files for you, no reinstall needed. The process might take a few minutes depending on your game size, but once done, it's fully ready to play on the new drive. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Steam games to another hard drive in just a few steps. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other quick IT and gaming tutorials here on 1 Minute IT Shot.